Morning student, this is our 12B. Find monomial, binomial and trinomial. Monomial means one term. Binomial means two terms. And tri means three terms. Here you can see this is multiplication. After multiply it's become one term. So that's why it is monomial. This is one term. This is a monomial. Plus, so 2x cannot added with 5, so it means these are two different. Okay, suppose instead of this, if I have 2x plus 5x, then it is not a binomial because we can add this and it can be 7x. So if I have 2x plus 7 y, till variable are different, so that's why it cannot be added, hence it is binomial. Similarly, we cannot add this, that's why this is binomial. Now 3 is dividing all 3. Okay, so that's why we separate them. Just be attentive for your sign. So now these are three different terms, x, y, z, with the three different variables, so this is trinomial. Next is literal. Literal means our variable. Numeral means numbers. It's not compulsory that you have to write your minus with the numeral. You can write here also. This is not hard and fast. Fine. Numeral means number. So numeral number and rest is your literal. Here it is divide. Divide means it should be a denominator. Now 5 by 2 is our numeral and rest is our literal. Coefficient x square, x cube can be written as x square into x, so we take x square, so rest minus 3 by 5 x y square z is the coefficient, y z, but we have y square, so it can be written as y into y, so we take 1 y and the rest minus 3 by 5 x cube y z is answer. Fine. Sorry, z we cannot write because z is already there. Like terms you should know. Like terms is always depend upon the variable. Here it is a square bc. Here it is b square a. Don't be puzzled. Okay. So if here is a square, if there is a square only, then they are like, otherwise they are not. Like here y square. The order of your literal number can be different. This is not compulsory that they should be same. It means x y square p or p y square x, both are same. Fine. You can also write it like if it is you want to change this pattern like p x y square, then till it is same. Fine. Next we have polynomial. Fine. Normal, all monomial, binomial, trinomial, multinomial are all polynomial. But when the condition is when it is not polynomial, so first of all understand this. When your variable or literal value, fine, suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is a polynomial having degree 2. Degree means power. Fine. And this is a polynomial. When any algebraic expression is not polynomial, when its variable is in root or in the form of denominator, or the power is in minus form, or power is in fraction. Fine. In all these cases, your equation is not a polynomial. Degree means power, highest power. So here 1 minus x, simple. So this is a polynomial. Here degree is 1, not 0, because x raised power 0 is 1 and x raised power 1 is x. Fine. So this is a polynomial having degree 1. This is also polynomial because the root is not on variable, root is on constant number, so that's why there is no problem with the constant number. Fine. So this is a polynomial having degree 1. Here you can see root is on variable, that's why this is not polynomial, so no degree. This is a polynomial in two variable here x y, two variable are there, so degree will be 2 plus 2 4. Fine. This is also polynomial because variable is not denominator, that is numerator, so that's why this is a polynomial degree 2. This is also degree 3. Find the value when x is minus 1. Just put the value of minus. Whenever your power is odd, answer is always in minus. Whenever your power is even, so answer will be positive. Here because minus 8, that's why we keep it as minus 8. Otherwise minus 1 square is 1. Fine. That's the calculation. Here a and b is given, so you have to put the value of a. A square means 4 into 4. B square means 5 into 5. 3a square means if it is connected then you have to multiply. Fine. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, not 4 into 3. Be sure about it. Fine. Next is addition. Simple addition. Simply what you can do, if you know directly then you can directly, but this is the easiest way. If you don't know, just take AB because AB is everywhere, so you can take AB common. After this 9 plus 2 11, 11 minus 7 4, take LCM, 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 2 14 by 3 AB. Simplify this and this. Here should be subtract. Fine. So from means from value always put first, because this is subtract, so put the value of minus, then this number as it. If it is in minus, always put in a bracket. Fine. So minus minus plus 5 minus 3 2, because 5 is greater, so that's why we will use its symbol. Again subtract this, from value always be on first, because this is subtract, so that's why minus, then this minus minus plus. You can take x square y common, then LCM, solve the LCM, you will get your required answer. Add simply. Fine. We have to add all. So best way is to arrange them properly. Highest to lowest power degree 4 3 2 1 0. Then same we arrange, so it is easy. Now 4 minus 2 2, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 7 0. Fine. 3 plus 1 4, 5 minus 4 1, because 5 is having sign minus, so answer will be in minus. 1 plus 1 2, it means its answer is minus 2 plus 2, it means 0. 5 plus 1 6, it means minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3, answer will be minus 3. Fine. Again addition, arrange them. If there is no value of y square, then you can leave this. Fine. So now 7 plus 3 10, 10 minus 9 1. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, because 4 is having minus sign. 5 plus 2 7, 7 minus 6 1, because positive answer is greater. 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 7 1. Fine. Next again subtract this from this, always put in a bracket. Whenever you have a large number, then put in a bracket. Multiply, because this is subtract, so put the sign of subtraction here. Multiply this sign with everyone. Plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus, minus become plus. 2x cube plus x cube, 3x cube. Minus x square minus 2, it's mean minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Don't think that x square plus x square is not x4. Don't add the power. Okay, it is only 2x square. Fine. Similarly, so on. Subtract the sum of this and this from this. So first of all we get the sum of this. 7 minus 5, 3 minus 2 plus. According to question, subtract this, sum of this from. So from is with this. So that's why put here minus the sum. Multiply with minus. Plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. 9 minus 6, 3. Minus 8 minus 2, minus 10. When you are having two negative terms, then it is added. 11 minus 1, 10. Fine. What must be added? If you have your question is in x, don't take it here. Don't assume any number as x, then take it any other alphabet. Fine. So I take it capital A. So I assume what must be added. So I said ki if A is added to this, we get this. Fine. Now to find the value of A, we have to shift it to the left hand side. But how we will shift? We will, obviously it is going to be subtract. So we put a minus sign and then bracket the same number over here. Now we will multiply the minus with all. If you don't know directly, so then do it like this. Then simple calculation. What should be subtracted from this to get this? Now it is the question of subtraction. Fine. If it is minus, then don't shift here, then shift B to this side. Fine. To right hand side and shift this to left hand side. Fine. Then we get the B as a positive. So now we shifted all minus. Now multiply the sign of minus, you get your required answer. Thank you. And please, I have the list of all the students of previous 7A and 7D, but I am not getting all the PDF and homework. So I don't want this again. Again I am telling you to send your PDF so I can check whether you are doing or not. Thank you. Have a nice day.